All right, so today I'm going to show you how to evaluate a function first.
Hi, Ellie.
Okay, so anyway, we are looking at last night's homework, and on 1A, you had to find f of -4. So I told you to use this function down here. So if you have to plug in a -4, how do you know where to plug it in, on the top or on the bottom? Or do you plug it in on top and bottom and get two answers? You have to use the inequality to tell you. You never will give me two answers, ever. Because these are functions. When you plug in one number, only one number comes back out. So if you give me two answers, you're telling me that you have no idea what you're doing. Okay? So if f is -4, if you're plugging in -4 into the f function, -4 is less than -3, so you're going to use the top function. Right? -4 doesn't fit in down here. It doesn't live here. It only lives up here. So when I plug in -4 plus 3 is -1. So your answer to 1A is just -1. Okay? How about B, f of -3? So I'm going to plug in -3 for x. Again, I go and I look at my inequalities. If I want to plug in -3, can I plug it into the top? No, I have to plug it into the bottom because that's where x is greater than or equal to -3, so I plug it in right there. Be careful when you plug it in, right? Because now it's going to be -3 minus 4. Be careful. -3 is +3, right? And then +3 minus 4 is -1. Did you guys get that? So the answer to B is -1. How about C, f of 0? Where would I plug it in, top or bottom? On the bottom again, because 0 fits in here. So when I plug in 0, I get out -4. So C, my answer is -4. D, f of 1. Top or bottom are you going to use? Bottom again, plug in a 1, and that comes out to be -5. How about 1/2, as we're doing in E, f of 1/2. So you're going to plug in 1/2 to the bottom, and then that would get you out -4.5. And, ooh, what fun, f of 100, top or bottom? Bottom again, and then when you plug in 100, what comes out? -104, and that's it. So that is how you evaluate these piecewise functions.